If you are spending hours building professional presentation but it still looks like mediocre, these AI tools build professional presentation in under 10 minutes. Come to this site called as kim.com. Here you need to come to kim plus slash slides. Here you can see you can select an idea which it recommends you, but if you want something else you can just type it here. So here let's go with the first one, report on psychology of social media use. Let's hit on it and it will do the job. All you need to do now is just wait and let the AI finish its job. You can see here, it fetches the data from the whole internet, and based on that information, it creates your presentation. So nothing is fluff here. Let's just wait and let him finish. Okay, we are done here. Now you need to select the present mode or the adaptive mode. For now, let's go with the present mode. The only difference is the presentation and how much time it is going to take to show the presentation, that it is more attractive. Let's go with the present mode. From here, you can select the template that you want. They all have sexy designs. I like it very much. By the way, let's explore the another one as well. If I click on the adaptive mode, almost the same templates. Let's go with the present mode, and from here, let's go with the. Let us see. I'll go with this one and hit on generate slides because I'm an Ocean fan. Now Kim will do the job and it is going to create a stunning presentation. Just wait and watch. Okay, we are done, and as you can see, presentation is pretty much clean and professional. Now from here, I will not say that this is a perfect one, but still you need to work around few things. If we come to the slides, as you can see, we need to manage the things here. So just adjust this. From here, it is fully editable. You can change the font, you can change the style, color, and everything. You have various options below. Now it's time to present. From here, if you hit play, it is going to play, and from here you can play the entire presentation. It looks very good. And from here, you can also download it. If you hit on the download button, it will ask you what actually are you looking for. For now, let's select PPT and font embedding. Yes, it is embedded, and the slide transition, it will be enabled. And now hit on the download button. And now it is downloaded, as you can see here. And if you open, you can share it locally and you can have it on your storage. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you.